This Foxwell reader is a piece of junk. Let's change it to a better one.
Storms, but in completely different areas than what we've been accustomed to throughout the month of February. So in today's forecast, we're going to break down exactly what forecast. I do want to make a big announcement. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below. We are about 3,000 subscribers away as we go into late Sunday and as well as into Monday. We'll talk more about that here in just a moment. And as well as back.
See, when it snows, I go plowing. I don't work. So.
Oh, you make income from that.
Yeah. So that's why I constantly watch the weather.
All right. You have the wow. I didn't know.
It's side money.
Okay.
Yeah, because if I'm gonna be here, I can't do shit. So
Because of snow, right?
because of the snow and
everywhere.
customers not gonna come in and nothing. So basically go and do what I do. Do you know in 2009?
Yeah. I remember that.
Yeah, that we got that big snowstorm.
Yeah.
I was on the road for 11 days.
What kind of truck? Big truck?
Yeah.
Oh, so you do commercial roads?
No, I've got contracts.
What kind of truck?
It's a 97 Dodge truck, 3/4 ton.
Hey, I'm
yeah.
impressed.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody says, "Oh, you're sitting." No, I'm not
No,
sitting.
no.
It's a lot of work.
No. So.
Okay. It has one for startability malfunction. Startability malfunction. Come on. You have a history code for the flow sensor circuit for your heating air conditioning. And you have one code for the tire sensor. Your tire sensor. Yeah, it's giving code B1479. It's a history code. On is B1479.
So, B1479.
And the other code is for that's a history code too, P1604. It says startability malfunction. Now I don't know. How long ago was it? It doesn't give me a date.
What does startability malfunction mean?
Well, the P1604, I don't know. Maybe it wasn't reading the key fob because you have a chip in it.
Oh, yesterday I was trying to disassemble the clicking noise when you unlock and lock the car.
Oh, maybe that's why that code came up.
Oh, and I read on Google how to do it, and I did it, and it didn't do anything.
No.
So you know when you click beep beep, it's
Yeah.
a little bit annoying. I thought I can take that.
No, you can't do that. That's for the alarm system and stuff.